Imagine chatting with an AI that remembers every detail of your online life, and it's built right into Instagram, WhatsApp, and Facebook. That's the bold promise behind Meta AI, Mark Zuckerberg's brand new app. First, here's Zuck's quick pitch. Then we'll break down what makes this tool different from anything you've used before.
All right, hey everyone, we built a new thing for you. There's almost 1 billion people who are using Meta AI across our apps now, so we made a new standalone Meta AI app for you to check out. Meta AI is designed to be your personal AI. That means, first, it's designed around voice conversations. You open up the app and you can talk to it about whatever you want, from the news to an issue you're dealing with to just anything that you want to learn about. It's also designed to be personalized. We're starting that off really basic with just a little bit of context about your interests, but over time you're going to be able to let Meta AI know a whole lot about you and the people you care about from across our apps if you want. We also designed this social feed, so you can discover all kinds of different ways that people are creating stuff with Meta AI. It's really quite fun to check out. And also, you're going to be able to use the app to manage your Meta glasses and other kinds of AI devices that we're going to be building in the future. So anyway, this is the beginning of what is going to be a long journey to build this out. But go check it out. Let us know what you think.
Meta AI's standout feature is long-term memory. It stores your preferences and past chats, so future conversations feel more natural and useful, almost like talking to a friend who never forgets.
So we wanted to focus on pushing the limits and a fresh take on how people could use AI. We were very focused on the voice experience, the most natural possible interface. So we focused a lot on low latency, highly expressive voice. The experience is personalized, so you can connect your Facebook and Instagram accounts, and the assistant will have a rough idea of your interests based on your interaction history. It will also remember things you tell it, like your kids' names and your wife's birthday, and all the other things you want to make sure your assistant doesn't forget.
Coming back to memory, it's crucial because most people underestimate how valuable it is to talk with an AI that already knows you. Conversations get deeper, more thoughtful, packed with nuance, and simply more fun. The AI community pushes memory so users stay loyal. Once an assistant stores all your preferences, leaving becomes a hassle. It's like switching from iPhone to Android. Possible, but most never do.
We added an experimental mode, which is full duplex voice. This means it's trained on native dialogue between people in speech. So rather than the AI assistant reading a text response, you're actually getting native audio output. And full duplex means that the channels are open both ways so that you can hear interruptions and laughter and an actual dialogue just like a phone call. So it's pushing the limits, what we think of what's possible with a natural voice experience. It's early, so the duplex mode doesn't have tool use, it doesn't have web search, so you can't ask it about NBA trades and like the papal conclave. However, it's a very interesting way to see what's possible at the frontier.
You can't quiz it on NBA trades and the papal conclave yet, but Meta's new voice mode is a big leap. Copy-pasting code is great, yet everyday users mainly want to talk. A true back-and-forth voice chat lets anyone interact with AI as if it were human, creating shareable, even viral moments. It also adds an almost human presence, useful in a world battling loneliness, and Meta will likely roll out multiple personalities and voices to keep it fresh.
Also wanted to make this fun, and we know a lot of people getting started with AI have no idea what to do with it, and it's not until they see the way that others are using it, doing stuff like them, that they get inspired. So whether it's homework or creative writing or AI artwork or code, the community is actually quite mimetic in that we learn from seeing each other do it. So we put this right in the app. You can share your prompts, you can share your art. It's super, super fun. We've really been enjoying prototyping this because it makes the experience a lot more creative and a lot more social.
The Discover tab could be game-changing. Like OpenAI's Sora Showcase, it lets you browse what others create, peek at their prompts, and remix them. Shared goals build online communities, and Meta's billion-plus user base means these creative threads could spread fast across Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp, evolving as AI evolves.
These are incredibly popular. They're the ultimate AI device of today. They're multimodal. You can ask questions about what's in front of you. Again, it's a voice interface. So the app focuses on taking that and making it coherent whether you're using the glasses or whether you're just using it with your phone.
Meta's smart glasses, an underrated piece of the puzzle, cost about $300 and feel surprisingly natural. Snap photos, ask questions, and your glasses feed data straight into your AI chat. Once you try them, it's hard to go back to pulling out a phone, and Zuckerberg clearly sees wearables as the next major form factor.
Are going to be the next major computing platform, but each new platform doesn't tend to just replace the old one, right? So I guess the version of this that I think about is like, you probably have this experience often where you're sitting at your desk and you have your computer there, yet you still pull out your phone to do things.
That's true,
right?
yes.
Okay, so at some point in the last 10 years, mobile really became the primary computing platform. We didn't get rid of our computers.
No.
It's just that even when you have it, you still do more things on your phone. So what I think is going to happen with glasses is we're going to get to this point, probably sometime in the 2030s, where you have your phone with you, but it's going to stay in your pocket more because you're just going to be doing more and more things on your glasses that maybe today you would do on your phone. You'll reach a point where, just like with your computer, there are probably some things that could be done in a richer way or better in some way on your phone, but the glasses will be your main computing platform, and that will be kind of your default go-to thing. And then maybe over time you get to this point where people just don't bring their phone with them everywhere. But I think that's really far down the line.
Remember, Meta AI isn't just mobile. The web canvas offers brainstorming, image generation, and doc drafting. Many LLM sites bury features in dense menus, but Meta's interface is intuitive enough for total beginners, vital when you're shipping to hundreds of millions of people. They even baked an image generation with a visual editor so newcomers can explore design styles without extra tools. With image gen, social discovery, polished UX, and strong memory, Meta AI inches ahead of rival assistants. And most core features are free. I'll share a full how-to soon, but for now, Meta just nudged everyday AI several steps forward.